you guys doing today? I hope everybody is doing well. Today I'm bringing you a different kind of video. Today I am collaborating with Terelax. Terelax is a calf and foot massager, and I'm going to try it out right here on camera with you guys. I'm also going to unbox it, which I have it right here. Let's see, you could see, let me see where's the name. Right here. I'm gonna take you step by step, see how it works, see all the functions and everything. So yeah, let's switch on to the unboxing. Okay, as you see, I have it right here. This is how the box looks, and let's open it. This is how it looks. It comes very well secured with these foams. It comes with instructions and with this remote control that I will be telling you all the functions. And this comes with a zipper right here that you could take this out and wash it, and then you could wipe everything clean, which is a good thing. It brings this remote control. It has an off and on button. It has auto, custom, and manual. It has speeds up or down, and it has the direction for up and down as well. Comes with this little plastic right there that you take out once you're gonna use it, so the battery touches and makes connection. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this. It brings a plug, and let's demonstrate how it works. Let's turn it on. And I'm gonna go, oh yeah. You see the movement of my feet? Oh my God, and it goes, you could feel each knot in the system, like working up and working it down. This is great if you're standing up all day, if you work standing up, if you need that extra massage, if you are diabetic, if you need like circulation motions. This will be an awesome massager. It not also does your calves, it also does your feet, which I'm going to demonstrate it. Oh my God, but it feels so good. I love it. In auto, it has 4 functions, and in custom it has 3, and manually you just control it like basically whichever speed you want. Do you hear it, guys? See? Oh yes, I love it. And I have small feet. Oh yeah, guys, this is awesome. It goes under your feet, it goes on the side of your feet, it goes all around. You could see them right here. Okay, your blood circulation. I'm gonna give you a better look at it. I want you to see the little knobs. You see them working? It goes up, then it goes right here. You could see the little knots going up. You could do it more intense. So guys, what is my final thoughts on the Terelax calf and foot massager? I really do like it. It goes under your feet, it goes sideways, it goes the density that you want it. If you want it faster, slower, if you want it more intense, if you want it more softer, you could just control everything either manually or with the remote. And guys, oh, my feet are like new. Wait till my husband tries it. He's gonna love it because he works standing up. And yeah, I will try it on him, and I probably will insert a clip around here of him enjoying it, because that's how good it is. If you guys are interested, everything will be linked below around the screen. But do remember that every link and everything that I have on this product, it will be down below in my description box. It will be the link and everything, making it really easy for you guys. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much to Terelax for collaborating with me on today's video. And yeah guys, it's heaven. You guys are going to love it. And yeah, to my next video. I love you guys. Mwah.